So in this question we've got to solve 4 lots of 8x minus 2 divided by 3x equals 10. So we'll start off writing the problem out. As the first line's been written for you, you can start off by moving your 3x, which is dividing, across to the right hand side. It will now become a multiplier, and 3x times 10 gives me 30x. So all I've done there is move my 3x. I've multiplied. Let's do that again. I've multiplied both sides by 3x, so it disappears on this side and will appear over here. And I've made 3x times 10, 30x. Now we need to open out our brackets, so we've got 4 times 8x, which is 32x. 4 times minus 2, let's just get rid of that. To rub that out. Pick the wrong thing there, so let's just do that again. So 4 times 8x was 32x. 4 times 2, or minus 2 rather, would be minus 8, equals 30x. So we now need to take 30x to the left hand, from the right hand side across to the left. I'm going to move the minus 8 over to the right hand side, and it'll become plus. So I've got 32x minus 30x equals 8. Notice that as you move them, they do the opposite thing on the other side. You should know that if you've got this far through the exam paper. 32 minus 30x is 2x. 2x equals 8. And so x will equal 4. Now, always a very good idea to check your answer. So let's have a look. Does 4 times 8 fours, which is 32, minus 2, divided by 3 fours, which is 12, does that give us 10? Let's have a look. Well, the 4 and the 12 will cancel to 3. The 32 minus 2 will give me 30. So we're going to basically have 30 divided by 3 equals 10. So we can see that x equals 4 is definitely our answer. So we've been asked to write as a single fraction in its simplest form 2 over y plus 3 minus 1 over y minus x. So what we need to do here is to cross multiply. So we'll have 2 lots of y minus 6 minus 1 times y plus 3. It's important to write that in brackets, and I'll show you why in a moment, all over y plus 3 times y minus 6. There's no real need to do anything else now to the denominator, but we can tidy up the numerator. And we kept the brackets there to make sure that we had the minus on the y and on the plus 3. So let's open up those brackets. So on the top we'll get 2y minus 12 minus y, and then it's minus plus 3 all over y plus 3 times y minus 6. So tidying up the top, we've got 2y minus y, that gives me 2y. Minus 12 minus 3 gives me minus 15. And again, we don't have to do anything to the bottom other than write it as it had been written before. Y minus 6. So I've now written out a single fraction in its simplest form. Now I've just spotted a mistake. Obviously the 2y minus the y gives me 1y. So let's just correct that. So it is y minus 15 over y plus 3, y minus 6. And that is the correct answer.